We have a power outage going on in our neighborhood, and it's around 9 o'clock. The power is out. Lock the doors. Some of the heat sources. This is one of those lamps that I did a video on. This is one of the kerosene lamps. This is going to put some heat, if I can get it lit. Come on, thing, light up. Please light. Okay, this is perfect. Now I can't get a flame. There we go. Come on, thing. Light. Okay. This is one of the kerosene lamps. And I'm going to leave this one in the bedroom. And it's going to knock the chill out this back bedroom. I'm only going to light one for now. Okay, I just lit the kerosene heater. And see if I'm gonna let this run for probably 30 minutes. I'm gonna say 30 minutes. But this is why I made those videos on showing me cleaning this heater and trimming those wicks. Power is gonna go out, and it's 40 degrees or 42 degrees outside. It's winter time, and in the case of these power outages like what's going on now, and I'm gonna show you this. I'm not gonna open up the door, but you can't see anything anyway, but I'm pointing the camera outside. There we go. You can't see anything. We don't have any power in the neighborhood. But with this kerosene heater, I will be able to heat up this room. I'm going to show you all the light sources too. This is my heat. So let me go and get another one of those kerosene lamps, and I'm gonna light it too, and I'm gonna show you how bright the room gets with those lamps. I'm gonna bring two on in here, and that way I have a light off in the kitchen. And well, I'm just gonna put two of them off in here. Hold tight. Hold 1 second. Okay, this is the den area, and I have one lamp under the TV, one lamp on the mantle, and this is the kerosene heater. These lamps are kerosene, running by kerosene also. This is kerosene diesel mix. This is when I was experimenting to try to see which lamp would burn brighter with what fuel. And this is kerosene diesel mix right here. It's a pretty nice flame right there. This flame right here, this is straight kerosene here. That's straight kerosene, kerosene diesel. That's kerosene. And I wanted to show you all that pattern on the wall. Well, on the ceiling. But the camera don't show how bright this room is, but it's pretty bright. You can actually read. So, you can read off in here. And let's see if anything's going on outside. Okay, nothing. Just letting you all know the power is out. That's the skyline right there. This is under the copwood. And See a section over here, this next neighborhood, they have power. We don't have any power. No. But that is why I made those videos of cleaning the kerosene heater. And the room is nice and warm. Trimming those wicks to make sure that when the power do go out, I have light heat. I was gonna do a video of what I filmed or taped last night when the power went out the first time. A person 3 streets over hit a utility pole, and that knocked the power out in, I'm gonna say, around 8 streets in this neighborhood. They did restore the power, and I'd be darned if 2 hours later the power went out again. This is a view of the neighborhood. There are no lights on, but the power went out again, and it's been out for almost 4 hours now. I thought they would be on when I got up, and it wasn't. So I got the heater running. I'm just gonna heat the house up, then I'm gonna leave. I'm going somewhere else to get breakfast in Mississippi. So these heaters, they work. If you need some emergency heat or some heating source, if your power go out, they actually do what people claim they do. This is not my first time using one of these, but I'm just saying that if you have the opportunity to get one, get it. Make sure you have enough kerosene. I can cook on this. You can cook on it. Oh, I'm not. I want to go and get something to eat. And it provides heat. It's heating up this section of the house. I'm not going to go in the backside, but I just want this section heated up. And these heaters do it. Thank you all again. I'm going to try to get this posted. The Wi-Fi systems are down, so can't really do much. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for these videos, and I get some more content up. Thank you.